In this tutorial, I'll show you how to join the Impact Affiliate program. Alright, so let's get straight into it. Okay, so there are so many ways to join the partnership program. So you can click here to request a demo, then you create. Alright, but in this tutorial, I'll show you how to join under publishers. So you have affiliates, you have influencers and creators, mobile apps, content publishers. If you have your website, what have you can use this one, content publishers. But this and that, they are a bit hard to get in. Okay, so I would advise you to use influencers and creators if you are a beginner and you don't have a website and stuff like that, but you have a YouTube channel, a social media account like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and stuff like that. Use this one. Okay, so click on it, get started today, sign up and start earning. So use a sign up email. So click on it. Now you have your first name, last name, username, email address, and password. Let's say we're gonna use examples. So I'll say, then choose your country. So let's say, for instance, Canada. Then you have to enter your phone number. This is not a real number. I'm just creating something. All right, so you need to check this box. I have read and accept the media partner service agreement and the master campaign agreement. So you can just right click, open a new tab, and just scroll down just so that it look like you've read it. Okay, because some programs, they will not allow you to go through. I would like to receive the latest partnership news via email from Impact. All right, you can choose this. It's up to you if you want to receive emails and news, but mostly I don't like, but I'll just leave it for you. Mostly I don't want to. All right, then you're gonna click on get started. So advanced action listing report. It says a security code has been sent to your mobile number ending in 333. Enter your security code, blah blah blah. So when you enter, so let's say for instance 40 20, then you're gonna click continue. All right, so when you click continue, it's gonna send an email to your email address, okay, the email that you just used. So you need to go into your email account, click on the email that says impact, then you see a blue button, click on it, then you have to follow the steps. But from here, I will show you, but I will not be talking, just to speed up this tutorial.
A few moments later. few moments later.
Alright, so this is the end of the tutorial. Thanks for your time. Please like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Until next time, take care and have a wonderful day. Bye.